Hi, I'm Lea188 and today I'm gonna tell you how to make Super Smash Bros. Brawl characters number 4. Well, first I'm gonna tell you how to make Lego nests. First you need black pants or blue ones. I am out of blue ones, so I put black. Then a white body with blue lines. Then a happy face, a hat like this one, and you make the design, and there's your Lego nest. To make Lucas, you need blue pants, this body or a white body with red strips, a happy face, and this hair that you can get in Lego Agents. And the ice climbers. First, to make the little blue ice climber, you need blue pants, or if you have little pants, it's a lot better. But I don't have. I only have 2 for Olimar and for Toon Link. Well, then you put Han Solo hot body, a happy face, this thing that you can get also in Star Wars. And for the girl, you put white pants, a white body, a happy face, and another one just like Han Solo's and painted pink. And to make the hammer, you will need first one of these pieces, 2 of these ones, 1 stud,